Welcome back, everybody. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from Perfect Prints Co. And I love the packaging. I think it's so cute with the little washi tape with the eyeballs. I ordered this during the TPC sale, and Caitlin actually did make me do it because she did a video on this, and what they are kits for your TN, and I am totally madly in love. I can't stand it. Look at this paper already. I can't stand it. Okay, so let me make sure I do this right. It says, thank you for your order from Cricket. And then it has washi tape and all this cute stuff on it, which y'all know I can never open this stuff right. But I didn't want to open it beforehand because I did not want to get it messed up. So, yeah, no. Okay, so look at this cute little die cut. Whoop, as I drop it. Look how adorable. Perfect Prints Co.'s next sale, October 11th through the 15th, and it has the TPC sale starts and ends, the live. So this was the freebie. How cute. When black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. And then another, Caitlin made me do it. These are my samplers. I love how everything is just put together, so cute. This one is from Keep It Simple Stickers. Playing with Stickers. Beyond Paper Flowers. Autumn Crafting, Pink Limeade Designs, Cheerful Planner Girl, and I actually PR for this company, Inspire Ever After, Taryn Sticker Shop, Plan with Pizzazz, Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and Craft Penguin Planner. Thank you for all those samplers. That is awesome. I appreciate it so very much. Okay, so this one right here is the Perfect B6 Snowflake. It's a traveler's notebook and kit. So I thought that was beautiful for winter. Look at the full boxes. So you get full boxes, scripts, weekend banner, headers, half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, bows, bow dividers, your day covers. So you get quite a bit in this. Check flags down here. Very cute. Love it. Love the colors. And then this one is the Christmas one. See, I love the colors. Beautiful. You get traditional and then untraditional. All right, let me see. Let's do the Halloween first, I'm assuming. Nope, this is the... Let's do Halloween first, since Halloween comes before. I mean, fall is fall, but let's do Halloween, because, you know, that's my favorite. So this is a collab with Clippity Chick Creations, and full deco TN kit. So you can decorate your TN completely. All right, so first you get a plastic sleeve. I think they're top loading. Yes, they're top loading. So they're top loading dashboards that you can fill in with your whatever you want actually, but with your designer series paper. And then you get a dashboard that says today. And then on the other side it has that. I love this. And then comes with a little pumpkin paper clip. And then here's the Halloween set that you get. Full boxes, headers, and all. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. And then, of course, the cardstock matches. Or the paper matches. Your die cuts. Witch's hat. Glasses. bow, pocketbook. And then you get this. And then you get your designer paper, front and back. You get this. This is vellum, sorry. And then you get this one as well. And then this designer paper, front and back, beautiful. This one. This one. And this one. So you get a lot in those kits. That is a lot of stuff, y'all. Very much so. Let me get my vellum here. My acetate. So vellum and acetate, y'all. I could not think of those words, so I apologize. So let me put all this together. See, all of that came in one kit. All of that. Okay, so, and then I also ordered the fall one as well. I wanted to go ahead and show you and haul these so that I could go ahead and get my TN ready. All right, here is the dashboard, both sides, and it's really good quality. Can you hear it? Thanksgiving, or give thanks. And then here is, there is always something to be thankful for. Here is your kit. Look how adorable. Look at that turkey. So cute. Then your die cuts. Look at the scarecrow. He is adorable. How cute. Definitely laminating those. Okay. Let me get those and put those right here. And then here's your acetate. Can you see? Second piece. Vellum. Let me see if I can get it. Love. And then your leaf. Vellum. And then here's your paper. The turkey's on one side. How cute is that? And then the scarecrows. I love the scarecrows. Thanks. Give. And then that side. Everything's double-sided. There, look at the turkey. There's the cute turkey. Maybe. And then the other side. And then this one. And then this side. Now how cute is that? That is a lot of stuff that you get in a kit. So very much stuff. Put this on top so my paper don't curl up. Alright, so that's what I got from Perfect Prints Company. You get a ton of stuff, y'all. Please go check this company out. Like I said, I got it from the TPC sale, so definitely go check this company out. You're going to want to get your TN set up or your planner set up, whichever one, and have some fun with it. Alright, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket. And you can see my Facebook and my Instagram so that you can keep up with the sales and anything else that they got going on. So talk with you soon. Bye-bye.